So this is US dollar Japanese yen analysis for Monday, the 18th of December. Now let's have a look what happened in prices and where they'll likely go. So what we did see was sorry about this. What we did see was we had this sell off from in around this 13.56. We were also sitting around there for a long time. We had a sell off, had a brief move here at 12.52, rejected the 12.77. We came all the way down to this 12.15. This weekly level at 12.15. We've had a test, another retest, and we've had this bullish breakout move to the upside. So we held this 12.15. We've had a strong move to the upside. We didn't see much of a reaction around this 12.52. At present, we can see here that we are having a bit of a reaction towards that 112.77. So we do see whether we do hold it, or we do see if we break down, after which we're possibly targeting either at 12.15. Below the 12.15, I suppose the level that we are looking at is all the way down at 11.60, and we'd anticipate that to be the far end of the range here on the US dollar Japanese yen. So if we do see a breakdown from 12.15, we're looking to see our prices are actually around this 11.60. Now, if we do, however, get more bullish buy side momentum, we'd first have to navigate 12.77. Also, beyond that, we were looking at the 200 period moving average as well, just up there. The 113.04 and 113.56. 113, let's see, 113.50. Yes, 113.56. Just over there. So we've mentioned levels to the downside that we are looking at. We've mentioned levels to the upside. We mentioned the fact that we have seemed to have found a base in around this 112.15. And we've had a brief pullback and another retest of 112.77. So if we do break out from where we are at present, breaking above the 200 period moving average and this 112.77, we're looking for a move towards that 113.56. Again, to the downside, we were mentioning 11.60 possibly being the far end of the range. Beyond the 11.60, we've got 111. Now, let's just have a look at daily time frame before wrapping up here on the US dollar Japanese yen. So if we head over to the daily time frame, and get the scale on here correct. So on this daily time frame, we've had this big move to the downside. We've had a further continuation. We've had this indecision candle, and it does appear that the market has gapped up, which is somewhat of a bullish sign, but we have had gap fill already. Yes, we've had gap fill already, so we've had a test of that, I think it's 112.52 rejection, so prices are heading upwards. Now, US dollar Japanese yen. Now, if we do see the further continuation, we've mentioned levels that we are targeting to the upside, but this is potentially a high, and if we don't see this negated, the 113.56, this is potentially a lower high. So we've got our previous highs over here, and this is potentially a lower high just there. There we are. So we'll see our prices react at 113.56 if we do get up there. And again, all levels below us we've already mentioned. So the only one that's not marked out is in around that 111. But 111.60, that will be coupled with 200 period moving average, is also down there on the daily chart as well. So 111.60 is potentially a good area to see more violent buying. I shouldn't say violent buying. 111.60 could be an area where we do have the confluence of 200 period moving average, where we could see quite a bit of buying from that level if we were to retrace all the way down to that 11.60. And 11.60, yep. So, and with that said, that should wrap up the US dollar Japanese yen analysis. Thanks for watching.